And we have another breaking news coming in. This is related to the investigation that's happening and the court hearing. It seems India Today, when asked the Goa Police Council on the detention of the Luthra brother, the Goa Council has said that they do not have any official information regarding the brother's detention. So the council, the Goa Council, a lawyer who is representing the state in the court said that they do not have any information about the detention of the Luthra brothers.
We're speaking to Public Prosecutor Atul Srivastava, who represented the Goa police today to oppose bail, anticipatory bail to the Luthra brothers. Sir, my first question to you would be about the allegations that they've made against the authorities. The Luthra brothers have claimed that the authorities are showing a vindictive nature, Goa police is on a path of revenge, etc., etc. Their properties have been bulldozed. How do you respond to these allegations against the Goa police?
So these are the mere allegations. We have already responded. Whatever is being done or has been done, that is as per law. First. Secondly, they are not taking it seriously. It is a case where almost more than or 25% has already lost their life. And within 2 hours or around 1.5 hours, they have already left the country, jurisdiction of this court, and shifted to some other country.
So their entire case is basically relying on two major arguments that they made yesterday. Firstly, that they left the country for business work. Secondly, that they left the country on 6th, specifically very clearly written in their petition before the court. What's the prosecution's response to these two grounds?
It's a very clear, even if I have a business something, then I would have been booking or I would have booked the ticket much prior to this incident. But surprisingly, here in this very case, they have booked the ticket after about 1.5 hours of the incident. Even a prudent person, if something has taken place, he will take care of his employees, everything. But here they have left it. So this is false, I would say. Now it is for the honorable judge to decide on it.
So how does the Goa police see the statement made by the lawyer today that whether or not they get anticipatory bail, they are bound to come back to Delhi today?
I can't comment on it. I can't comment on it.
So lastly, is there any official statement from the Goa police, or does the prosecution have any official information about their detention in Thailand? No response. Okay. Thank you for speaking to us. Well, that was a public prosecutor who appeared for the Goa police and very strongly opposed grant of anticipatory bail to both the Luthra brothers who are currently in Thailand. Remember, on one hand, the Luthra brothers have claimed that they left from India to go to Thailand for business work, and they left after the incident in Goa, the tragedy in Goa took place. However, the Goa police has claimed that the Luthra brothers have absolutely no business interest in Thailand, and they had booked their flight tickets at 1:17 a.m. on 7th of December, which was hours after the incident that left many people dead is concerned. With camera person Ashwini from New Delhi, this is Shrishti Ojha for India Today.
So that was India Today's Shrishti Ojha, who was speaking to the Council of Goa State, and it was clear that all the arguments that the Luthra brothers are making as far as coming back to India is concerned, as far as their safety is concerned, are being refuted by the Goa police. Joining us once again is Shrishti Ojha. Shrishti, it seems that the prosecution is right now hell-bent on ensuring that the Luthra brothers come back to India, although the brothers have admitted in the court that they are on their way back. But it seems in your interview, the Goa Council did not clearly say what is the information is there regarding their extradition. They did not want to say that officially.
Well, yes, we clearly asked the Goa Police Council about the reports of detention of Luthra brothers back in Thailand. However, as you saw, there was no comment. He refused to comment on this particular aspect. As far as the court hearing before Rohini court is concerned, it was a hearing full of claims and big counter claims. the Goa police the Goa police had clearly come in with full guns blazing, firing off counter arguments against what the Luthra brothers have claimed. Now, two big claims made by the Luthra brothers on which their entire case is based is firstly that they left from India to go to Thailand on the 6th of December, which was before the incident took place, and secondly that they have gone to Thailand only for business purposes, for business meetings, and they're not evading arrest and they're not absconding. Now, the Goa police very clearly claimed today that the Luthra brothers have no business as far as Thailand is concerned, and secondly they have shown the court the flight booking details, the flights that were booked for Thailand, which clearly states that the flights were booked at 1:17 a.m. on 7th. So the Goa police is saying that after the unfortunate tragedy took place at their hotel, at their restaurant, instead of coming to aid of the victims and their family members while the place was burning, persons were dying, they chose to flee the country only with the intention of absconding arrest. They have questioned the conduct of the Luthra brothers and even the conduct of their family members, and that is what they've made the basis to convince the court that they do not deserve any anticipatory bail. On the other hand, we've seen since yesterday Luthra brothers have clearly maintained they want to come back to Delhi. They are apprehending arrest, and all they want is protection from court for a very limited period of time so they can come back to India from Thailand, approach the Goa court and seek any relief that they want to, and avail their legal remedies. A big statement
Right,
also made by the
Shrishti,
lawyer
thank you very
today
much
is
for those details. We'll be keeping an eye on this entire court proceedings.